So guys, today we will be checking out and unboxing Sennheiser headphone. It's USB PC USB 8 headphone. Now this is my replacement. I've ordered Sennheiser headphone like back in 2021 I guess. Yes. Like 2020, I'm sorry. It's been more than a year. And it costed the price back then was 2,990 I believe, and till date the price is same I believe. Yes. So what had happened is there was no noise, there was a little noise and distortion on left hand side of the headset, and for that reason I've sent a mail to Sennheiser that this was a problem. So I had been back and forth in different states, so it wasn't possible. So I had all the conversation on mail for that. So I've sent in a mail request that there is a problem that emerged with the headset that I bought. So the Sennheiser guys, they are tied up with EPOS. It's a gaming solution, a gaming company. So they have sent me this, okay, for replacement. I've got this. Let's see what exactly in this is. So I've sent a defective headset to them after a year. I've used it. It was nice. It was wonderful. But now I've got this replacement. So they say they have a policy 3-year warranty, right? So if there's any damage, anything from their end or internal damage, they'll replace it. So this is probably a replacement that I've got. Let's see what I have got inside this. So it came in like, it was a time span of 7 to 8 days, I guess. Now I'll let you know why to buy Sennheiser and why not to. Why not to go for any other company. However, this is expensive. It's not cheap. But cheap things don't last long. Let's go and see what have I got inside this box. And it's too much packing. Okay. That's good. Let's keep it aside. Okay, so here it is. See this? EPOS India Private Limited. Hold on. This desk is too short, I guess. So here it is. Delivered to Deepak Pandey. Okay. What have I got? Mode of delivery standard. PC8 USB headset. Serial number, this is this. Okay, so it's a replacement that I've got. Okay, ship date 12/23. I've sent in by I believe 17, and I've gotten like 5 days, 5 or 7 days. So these guys are freaking wonderful, bro. Expensive, yes, it's expensive. It's 2,000, somewhere around 3,000 bucks, but it's worth it. Why do I need this? This is needed for a job, and that's it. Okay, I need to change this. I need to get a knife. I don't know. Here you go. That's enough. Okay. You see this? I believe okay. This is another invoice. This is to an original invoice replacement. Grand total 00. One piece RMS shipment replacement. Okay. So this is a warranty replacement. Okay. Original invoice for recipient. Okay, that's fine. One piece. Total invoice. This is it. So this is what I have received. Wow. Thank you. Thank you, Sennheiser, for sending me this. Oh. Okay. So it says they are tied up with EPOS. I don't see Sennheiser name anywhere. Why is it? Okay, this is it. What I've got. It's a USB headset with miking function. Lightweight. Yes, truly lightweight. Highly comfortable. Freaking fact. A decent and nice product. Let's test this right away. Should I open it now? Okay, easy open port. Well, now this is what I've received. It's a brand new headset. Now I don't feel like I should open it because this is my unboxing video and I'll do it little different. I don't want to open this. I trust this, guys. Okay, so let's go for it. But I'll write a mail. I'll definitely shoot a mail to Sennheiser. Like, what is this, bro? What is going on? Okay, let's keep it short and simple. 299 service about retail. Sennheiser compatible with PC, USB 8. None required device controller for part 15 of FCC rule. The device may not cause harmful interference. Okay, it's lightweight. Let's test this. This is what I needed. This is what I have received. So my previous headphone was not bad, was not in bad condition, but some of the cause that dropped because of the problem in its volume port. Okay, so here we go. just tied in here. Take me now, resting Jones. Okay. We have all of it. Now let's test this. Do I need this? I believe no. Let's test this. Okay, good. Now the thing is, this is labeled with EPOS brand, okay? Now this is not Sennheiser, this is EPOS. So when you search for something like this, well, I doubt this. Let's see. I receive EPOS stuff, not Sennheiser. Why? Let's check. That was loud and clear. See, the brand is completely changed. Build quality is different from Sennheiser. Let's check the mic. Mic test. There's a noise in the background, right? You can hear that. Let's record something in FL Studio, man. Why not? That's a good idea. Yo. Select mic. Set up. Hello. Can you hear me? Hello. Let's check the audio clarity. Okay. Yo. Well, the clip gain is high, that's why. Yo, I'm Jack. Mic test 1 2 1 2 1 2. So much fun to enjoy something that's been come through. I do really spit rap verses nobody would ever match my tongue, dude. But I'm coming up to funk you. So when you see my third, I'm just acting a little dumb to do a freestyle on the microphone while testing. Like check 1 2. I'm done, dude. That was completely dumb, whack. Not even fun, yo. Yo, I'm done. Let's see. Let's play this back and check it out. That's damn clean. Let's listen outside. Yo, I'm Jack. Mic test 1 2 1 2 1 2. So much fun to enjoy something that's been come through. You see, I do really spit rap verses nobody would ever match my tongue, dude. But I'm coming up to funk you. So when you see my third, I'm just acting a little dumb to do a freestyle on the microphone while testing. Like check 1 2. I'm done, dude. That was completely dumb, whack. This is fire. This is fire. This is what I've needed, But this is EPOS. This is a little bit disheartening to me because I've ordered Sennheiser stuff, and I've got EPOS. Okay, anyways, this is wonderful stuff. If you wanna buy this, that's good, because it comes with 2-year warranty. So in 2 years, if there is any trouble, any problem that you face, you can just write an email, shoot an email to this guys at support@epos.com or something like that. And that's it, I believe. Yes, send a picture of your product, send this serial number, where it is. There must be serial number in here. Okay. The serial number is behind this particular part. Okay, they'll ask you, and generally you should not open this part, because once you do that, it's violation of warranty. So if you remove this, you'll find the serial number right then and there. Okay, or either it's on your bill. The serial number. This is what you have to send them. Serial number, order number, serial number 100432. And no, sorry, this is the serial number. So this is what you send in. They'll verify everything. They'll ask you for the bill. Just send it out to them, and then they'll release a new headset for you. Make sure that defect is manufacturer defect. That is internal damage, not external. Like if you broke this, it's your fault. If you remove this, if you have any trouble with this, if you remove this, if you've broken anything, if you open any screw or shit, oh, you're done. You won't get replacement. I've been a long customer with Sennheiser. You know, I have a CX180. I have several other headphones from them. The quality is wonderful. That's why I invest so much of money in this. It's $3,000, 2,990 something like that, 3,000 somewhere around. But this is wonderful. Okay, now they have tied up with EPOS. That's why EPOS is handling this section. They have sent their name. You know, they have rebranded it to EPOS. Okay, but it's wonderful brand. So you can invest in this. This company is better than any other company in headsets, bro. Clarity, you can just check that.
I'm Jack.
You hear the siren in the background? There's no siren in the background in
so much
this.
fun to enjoy something.
Noise
that's been
cancellation,
gone
perfect.
through. I do really spit rap versus nobody would
Thank you.
ever match my tongue to.
Good for calling, good for any other purpose, good for listening. Yes, good for everything. Let's go for it. Thank you for watching, man. Thank you.